Ni hao, like touch your knee and say, how are you? That's it.
And one of the phrases you need to learn when you first get to China is hello. So I'm here again with Bert from Lost Expat. You can follow him. There'll be a link in the description. First, before we start to teach you the tones and how to say that, you gotta understand that you're building a communication bridge to Chinese people. And it's more about the communication and the connection than even getting the phrase right. There's a few fundamentals. Ni hao. It's 2 tones. The first ni is a 3rd tone. I call that the bass voice. So can you give me a low tone? Ni.
Ni
And then hao also is a 3rd tone.
hao.
But the issue is if you have 2 3rd tones together, then the first 3rd tone changes to a 2nd tone and it's rising, which is why it doesn't sound like ni and hao, but it sounds like ni hao. Give it a try.
Ni hao.
你好，能过来叫我们一下吗？你就说一声你好就可以。
你好。
大声一点。
你好。
So that's what I was just telling you guys. Like 2 3rd tones. The first 3rd tone changes to a 2nd tone. Give it a try, Bert.
你好。
你好，然后这样就可以交朋友，对吧？
对。
对。Tap or click the screen right there for another language video to help you connect with Chinese folks. And that's all you need. So I'm Kuijo. This is Bert from Lost Expat, teaching you the everyday Chinese you need to communicate what you want. Good study.
Day up.